welcome to Favorite Things. It's been a minute, right? Oh, I know. But I'm very excited today because this video is about unboxing. Yes, I have not done this before. All the other times that I have shown you products from boxes, I've actually looked at the products before doing the review for you. But this time, I have not looked at the product, so I don't know what's in it, but I'm excited because I received a box from a very amazing company called PINCHMe. It's a site called, it's PINCHMe.com, and they encourage people to register, become a member, answer as many questions as you can, and then when you become a regular member, you will receive free samples of products every month. Free samples, free shipping, brand products, brand named products, not just any kind of product, brand named, from household items to cleaning to personal to pets to babies to snacks. You can find anything you want. All you need to do is register, become a member, answer as many questions as you can. And every month, I think it's the second Tuesday of every month, it's called Sample Tuesday. They release products on their site, so you just need to go there and claim your products. I'm so excited because they decided to send me a beautiful box that looks like this. This is a PINCHME box. Now, I'm getting this because I'm an influencer. If you are not, you still get wonderful, wonderful samples from brand products. You know, as women, we spend a lot of money trying to find out what works for us, what doesn't work for us, but this time, they're doing all of that for you. They will send you all the products. You can try out the products, see the ones that you like. All they ask of you is to tell them how you feel about the products. I've seen a lot of other companies that ask you to join, become members, and then they will send you samples, but you have to pay a certain fee every month. But PINCHME is saying, do not pay anything. Don't even pay for the shipping. All you do, become a member, answer all the questions, the bonus questions, tell them what you like, the kind of brands you like, and every month they send you between 3 to 6 samples, and all you need to do is just tell them how you feel about the product. Isn't that amazing? It's a win-win for you guys, trust me. I'm excited, but it's for people that live in the United States. I know that in the future they might decide to expand, but for now it's only if you live in the United States, okay? Well, I can't wait to share this box with you. I want to see what's in it as soon as I know exactly how to open it. Okay, this is it. This is it. So this is the front PINCHME. They have their social media handles. I love the design though. Isn't it pretty? It's pretty, isn't it? Okay, here we go. Ta-da! Alright, so there's stuff in it. I'm gonna show you what I have in here. I have 1850. Can you tell that my eyes are going funny? Yeah, I'm becoming like my mom. This is, what is this? This is, oh, coffee. This is amazing. If you love coffee, this is definitely for you. And they have different, oh, this is so good. I don't know much about coffee, and that's why I need to complete my profile and tell them exactly what I like. But this is amazing. I love the packaging, and if you love coffee, trust me, you will taste different types of it. And you decide what you want. Let's see what else I have here. I have, this is Compeed. Compeed protects and cushions blisters, stays in place, provides optimum cushioning from rubbing and pressure. So you could have this before you put your shoes on. Women, ladies, we need this, okay? We all need this, because you know how it gets when you're wearing those tight shoes, but you love them and you just want to be protected because you have this thing hurting at the back of your leg and you're like, oh my goodness. This is it. I love this. This is cool. What else do I have? Oh, cleaning, charcoal cleansing, Micellar, I don't know what it is, water. It's for oily skin. How did you guys know that I have oily skin? Look at that. Look at this. It's for oily skin. I love it. I cannot wait. No need to rinse. It's oil free. You just apply it on your skin. Are you serious? Oh my god, I can't wait to try this, guys. Does this mean I have to do another video to tell you how I feel about the products? Yes, I do. Okay, I love this one. Okay, what else did I get? I'm so excited. Nut butter. Peanut butter. Where's this? 1 egg white, 27 peanuts. Okay. Wow. Open and squeeze. I got peanut butter and sachet. Love it, love it. This is almond butter. For those of you who like stuff like this, I do. I know I do. I like it. I can't imagine one box having all of this. This is Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, crushed macadamia and rice milk. Check that out. Exotic, isn't it? From Dove. I told you they were brand name products. I wasn't kidding. This is so exciting. I can't wait to try all of this out. This is Garnier Fructis Nourishing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask. Garnier, guys. It's so cool to try all of this, and you don't have to buy everything in bulk before you know if you like it or not. And this is Seeds of Change Organic Brown Rice. I love it. You have food, hair care products, skin care products, you have beverages, you have all types of stuff in one box. And they give you all the information that you need to know about different products, how it works for you. I have wellness tea. Oh boy, Immunity, Thrive. I have all sorts of things in the box. This is crazy. PINCHMe. So you guys, you know what I'm going to encourage you to do? Go to PINCHMe.com and you will get all the information you need. No jokes. I am not joking. I am not kidding. There's no hidden thing behind this. It is totally free to become a member, and you will receive samples every month, and you don't even have to pay for shipping. And you can upgrade if you want to. And if you're an influencer, answer all their questions, and you might just be amazed to receive boxes like this. I am excited. Can't wait to share my review on the products with you in another video. But for now, visit PINCHME.com. Okay, guys? See ya!